Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to get any HypeSquad badge you want. So first go to user settings, scroll down till you see HypeSquad right here, and after that you just need to click on join HypeSquad. So you could just click on anything you want here. So I'll just go through it so I can show you guys. As you can see, I got the House of Brilliance badge. So once you close on that out, you could go click on escape. As I go to my profile, as you can see, I have the HypeSquad Brilliance badge. So the badge mainly depends, or what badge you will get mainly depends on the answers that you pick from the questions back on the HypeSquad page here. You could also take the test again if you want to switch houses. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.